This dimension, we're going to be answering the question, what kind of close-up tricks are okay for stage and which ones should be left at the table? Let's do this. So I just reached a really big milestone. I finally reached my 1,000 subscribers, so huge thanks to everybody who helped me get that by subscribing down below. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. So let's get on to the video. Alright, so a lot of magicians have probably asked themselves at one time or another that do a lot of close-up tricks, is it okay to perform some close-up routines, on stage? And people may have different answers, but my answer to this is I would say certain effects, depending on what you're doing and depending on what you have. So unless you have all the special technology to have a camera pointing towards your hands and broadcasting it through a screen to the audience, I would say I would think it would be better to stay away from some of the visual stuff. And if you're going to perform some close-up routines on stage, stick towards more of the stuff that the audience that's watching from there is going to understand as well. So don't do a lot of visual stuff, like if you do a color change, the audience is probably not going to see it from up on stage. So mentalism are some really good effects that you can do that are kind of more close-up because people are going to be thinking it rather than seeing it. So those are kind of the best ones you could do that's close-up if you don't have all the technology. Focus on the ones where people are seeing it. No, focus on the ones where people are thinking it and not seeing it. And that's usually the best ones to do. Mentalism tricks are just kind of an example. There's other ones that are like this too, but that's basically the best example I can come up with for that. So yeah, focus more on the ones where people can think it, not see it, because they're going to be, more... they're probably not going to be able to see what's on stage. So that's kind of the best ones to go for. Well, that's pretty much it. If you like this content, subscribe down below to notify future episodes. I do lots of magic tutorial tips like this. So if you are into that kind of thing, subscribe down below. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. That's for now. I'll see you next time.